What's up YouTube, Home Nickel Barbecue back with you again, and today we are doing party wings on the Ooni Pro. Alright, here's our setup. We got chicken in an aluminum pan. We stole the grate from the Green Mountain Grill Davy Crockett. We got Big Mo caissons, chicken rub. We are currently sitting at about 842 degrees, 450 Celsius for my Canadian friends, eh? What's up, my new Canadian viewers that I've noticed have been watching? Alright, hopefully we don't burn this thing. That's hot. Alright guys, 4 minutes in I started hearing some weird sounds. Fuck, this may actually turn out okay, but I think you gotta have liquid in the pan. That's lesson one. I think we'll just call this an abortion for the day. Just don't do this. I'll keep thinking with it. It was fun though. Just because I'm curious, I gotta see what the IT is. Fuck, we're so close. Goddamn, we may get carryover with that. Fuck it, let's do this again. Got an idea. Alright, round two. Same thing as before. Temperatures 840, 752. We'll get that up just a hair, see what happens. We're still in the red. Red's good. Woo. Alright, we'll check this at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright guys, 2 minutes, 30 seconds in. No fire this time. Ooh, that chicken looks fucking amazing. Get these flipped over just to be safe. Let me get you in here. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks good. No burning. Sometimes it's hard to camera or film and flip at the same time. Alright, I'm going to set you down. We'll bring you back. Let's pull these guys out. Get the door back on so we can cook some pizzas here in a bit. Let's see how our chicken bird's doing. Legs are at 140. The flats are at 162. So we'll give it a little bit more time. Basically, we've been cooking these chicken legs for about 6 to 7 minutes. Which is still pretty fucking fast. Alright, so we're at 9 minutes of total cooking time. I'm doing the math right. I'll bring you over here in a second. Just let me temp them, make sure everything's hunky-dory great. 70 on the legs. 183 on the flats. Alright, boys and girls, here's what we got. Say, it looks like pretty damn good chicken to me. I will have Mrs. Hobo do a taste test. She's in her pajamas, so I'm sure she's not going to want to be on camera, but I will try to remember verbatim whatever the hell she says. Alright, so what did we learn today? Number one, chicken juice, grease, whatever the fuck we're going to call it. The fuck was that? We'll keep that in the video. Everybody likes the funny tidbits. Anyways, lessons learned. Chicken grease, juice, whatever the fuck we want to call it, at temperatures above 800 degrees, creates fire. Put a water pan underneath if you're going to cook chicken at high temperature. Number two, we cooked those wings in about 9 minutes. That's pretty fucking cool. If you're cooking pizzas on the Ooni, throw some wings on there. Just keep an eye on them. I would say probably run it about 4 minutes and then flip them, because I had a little bit of unevenness on one side versus the other on color. Only other thing I think of is Mrs. Hobo's answer was, it's so good. So it turned out good. Glad I tried it. Really glad we caught the fire on film. My neighbor's dog will not stop fucking barking. Good God. Give the dog some attention. I don't know which neighbor you are, but if you watch my shit, don't let this happen again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll figure out what we do next. I'm going to cook some pizzas on here. I know I'm not trying to string you along on this anything. I'm trying to understand everything. I don't want to make a video that's just, I've had this pizza cooker for 2 days and now I'm fucking god at making pizza, because I'm not. Pizza is very technical. There's a lot of science behind it. You gotta measure shit. Like, that's not my wheelhouse, but I'm going to make it my wheelhouse. Thanks.